Look, getting married in the park is one thing, but this is ridiculous.
Once again,
thank you.
To us folks.
Didn't we have a beautiful wedding?
Beautiful. But best of all, I like the way we fooled those practical jokers and made a clean getaway.
Yeah.
Now here we are, all nice, alone, and legal. Right, Mrs. Lewis?
Right, Mr. Lewis.
Well then, ma'am, shall we turn in?
That sounds like a good idea.
Finish. I love you.
I love you.
Look so pretty.
Oh, pretty. It's just a hiccup.
For a minute, I thought we had a room on the San Andreas fault.
Well, I just probably drank my champagne too fast.
Sure. Swell.
Well, I didn't plan to get the hiccups. It's just one of the
I just remembered. Listen, take a big breath and hold it. That'll get rid of them. Okay? Take a big breath. Good. Now hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Atta girl, hold it. A little bit longer. Okay. But I tell you, it works every time. Almost every time.
This is ridiculous. Maybe if I drink some water.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm sorry, but you shouldn't have done that.
I was trying to scare you.
Well, maybe they'd stop if I could think of something to concentrate on and take my mind off them.
I know just the thing.
I'm sorry, honey. I know it can't be much fun spending your wedding night with a percolator.
We'll think of something.
I know.
Chris, what's going on?
I'm calling my mother. She used to cure my hiccups when I was little, and I'll ask her what she used.
Great.
Hello, Mother. This is Chris. What? No, I'm not having it annulled. I have the hiccups. Yeah. Listen, do you remember what you used to do? Oh, yes, I forgot about that. Uh-huh. You sure? Okay. Okay, well, thanks a lot, Mother. Okay. Yeah, well, Danny sends his love. Bye-bye.
You have any ideas?
They're pretty wild. I don't know how we can find all these things.
We'll get them. Room service? Just leave this to me. This is bridal, sweet A. Yeah, would you send up a balloon, an umbrella, a pair of men's galoshes, a rubber hose, a feathered duster, and a tuba? Yes, a tuba.
Well, it's either that or we start over at Boo.
There you are, sir.
We're sorry to cause you all this trouble.
Oh, it's no trouble. This is our regular number 3 assortment. We get calls for this every night. Oh, and since you didn't specify, sir, I brought you a plain rubber hose.
Well, we certainly appreciate that.
And one more thing, sir. No tuba. Closest thing I could find to it was a bugle. Hope it doesn't ruin your evening.
Listen, the least we can do is to explain.
Oh, don't explain. I mean, if balloons and galoshes and umbrellas are your thing, let it all hang out. And my wife thinks I'm a thrill seeker.
We'd be glad to explain, really.
Oh, no, sir. I don't want to know what it's for. I said all the way up here, I'm not going to ask him what it's for. I mean, that's a sign of a good bellhop. Don't be nosy. So I don't want to know what it's for. None of my business what it's for, so I'm not going to ask you what it's for. Okay. What's it for? Hey, look, man, I'll make you a deal. No charge. And I won't tell anybody under 18 without parental guidance.
Just some things to get rid of her hiccups.
Hiccups? Boy, you won't believe the thoughts have been going through my head.
The feather duster is to make you sneeze. And you put the men's galoshes on the wrong feet. And you put your head inside the umbrella and open and close it.
I tried that. She's boo-proof.
I don't think anything's gonna work.
Now, wait a minute. I got a cure. Now, this never fails. I've used it on 3 of the guests in the hotel. Now, you stand behind her and hold her ears.
Hold her ears.
Mm-hmm. Now, you hold your nose. And while you're holding your nose, you whistle and try to blow out this match. That's it. Well, 3 out of 4 ain't bad.
Thanks anyway.
Just don't get discouraged. I heard of a guy who finally got rid of his hiccups after he had them for 2 years.
2 years?
Oh, Daddy!
Come on, everything will be all right. Hey, want to slip one of these on for size?
Nothing's going to work. I just know it's not going to work.
The drugstore. They're still open. They're bound to have something. We should have thought of that before. The drugstore. Maybe I'll just slip some clothes on first.
Room service. Okay, lady. Don't scream. This is a stick-up.
Nice try, lover. But it won't work.
Nice try. What do you mean it won't work?
And you can forget the funny voice, too. Nothing works. Was the drugstore open?
Drugstore? Drugstore? Look, lady, can we start over again where I come through the door and I ask you for the money and the jewels?
You sure don't give up, do you? You sweet darling, you really are. Hey, why don't you take off that silly mask and all these funny clothes?
What for?
Well, you know what they say. Love conquers everything.
Lady, you don't understand. This is a business call.
Well, if you could take 2 years, we might as well spend it here.
2 years?
Come on. You're not a fraidy cat, are you?
2 years?
Forget the act, Danny. Anybody wouldn't be fooled by this silly water.
Chris, what's going on? Who is this guy? What is it? Who is he?
Look, Mac, keep her away from me. All I need is a 10-second start. That's all. Just 10 seconds. Thanks, Mac.
What a terrible experience you had to go through.
Well, it's all over now. And the best part of it is, it scared me so bad I got rid of my hiccups.
I'll drink to that. And to us.